welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sean and I'm back for another video. This is my what I eat in a day keto version. So you guys see I have some almond flour, almond milk, stevia, baking powder, vanilla, cream cheese, and an egg because I'm going to be making my keto version of some pancakes. I know most keto recipes or most keto meals always have an omelet, but I wanted to switch things up. I found this recipe that I sort of tweaked a little bit and made it my own, and the pancakes turned out amazing.
Hey. Didn't come out perfectly, but not bad for one hand. And they're looking like real pancakes. This is the finished product. I'm really pleased with how the pancakes turned out. I could tell by the batter that they're really flavorful. And I have 4 strips of crispy turkey bacon, just like I like it, nice and crunchy. And they're a little bit on the thinner side, but I love how soft they are. They're not tough and anything like that. And I also have some sugar-free syrup to go with it. I know for a fact I'm not gonna eat both of these pancakes. I'm gonna put one to the side for hubby so he can try it. I want him to be my taste tester. He said he'll eat anything that I eat, so I can't wait to see if he likes this as well.
Then for a snack, I had these simple organic roasted seaweed snacks with sea salt. This is a great alternative for those of you that are craving like potato chips. It's 0 carbs, it's got a nice little crunch to it, awesome little snack. And then for lunch, I decided to have some tuna salad on these romaine hearts. This is really, really good. Canned tuna is a good keto food. So I just added some eggs, mayo, mustard, celery, and some seasonings to it and place it on some romaine lettuce. You can add cheese to it if you're somebody that likes cheese with your tuna. This was a hit. Absolutely love this. You can also add a little bit of red onion if you're an onion lover. And then I washed it down with this nasty drink right here. Don't ever buy this. This was from Walmart. It's a strawberry sparkling water. It's a no, okay? But the dinner turned out to be a yes, okay? So I decided to do turkey chili that night. I had dark red kidney beans and black beans in it. My family had theirs with a honey cinnamon cornbread over white rice. But for me, I just added cheese and sour cream, and it was an amazing alternative. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Still tasted really good. I don't feel cheated at all. So I was minding my own keto-loving business when I ran across this cheesecake recipe, and I had to try it because I actually had everything on hand. You can literally see my laptop right next to these ingredients, but I'm going to link the cheesecake recipe that I used below. The only thing that I did was add vanilla. So I made a small batch because I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. So this is all I made, the little ball container worth, and then this little small bowl, and it turned out so good. Cheesecake is one of my favorite foods on the planet. I just topped mine with some fresh berries. You can have berries on keto. This is only 3 berries in there that are all cut up, but it looks like a lot. It literally is only 3 small strawberries. I just kind of put everything, as you guys notice, I have smaller bowls. I eat my food like this breakfast right here. This is on a small plate, like a saucer. And then I pretty much tried to shrink the bowls to make it look like it's a lot of food on it. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up if you did. If you have your keto suggestions, leave those below. And I'll see you in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.